called rap. Either we all gon' clap or somebody gon' get clapped. And I'm not down with that. Sure as my name's been rocked. In 99 I will officially reopen up the block and dedicate my life to preservation of hip hop. I'm tired of seeing the people of my culture getting shot. And now I must step up because I know that's all we got. I must do it, pursue it before all the maggots make it rock. Hip hop, it ain't gon' die, it's gon' diversify. And as long as I'm alive, I'm gon' promote the eye. And no matter how many people try to use or diffuse it, it ain't nothing like